In this video, we are going to review how to properly use LiquiCapture Urine Collection Cups. LiquiCapture collection cups are available in 3 formats. The first is with a dip slot, which allows for mess-free insertion of testing cards. The second has an integrated transfer device, which allows for the removal of smaller specimen samples without having to remove the lid. The third is a combination of both and includes both the dip chamber and the integrated transfer device. Temperature strips may be added to any of the 3 LiquiCapture formats. We are now going to review how to use the dip slot. Upon specimen collection, you will then flip the cup upside down and return it to an upright position. This will ensure that enough liquid has been collected in the dip chamber to allow for accurate insertion of testing cards. Next, open the flip top lid to ensure that enough liquid has been collected in the dip chamber. You are now ready to insert the testing card into the dip chamber. If you are looking to separate the urine sample into smaller samples for in-lab testing, we offer a LiquiCapture collection cup with an integrated transfer device, which is designed specifically for use with vacuum-sealed collection tubes. This allows for smaller samples to be taken without having to remove the lid, which means a significant reduction in the likelihood of sample contamination during collection, testing, and transport. We will now review how to use the integrated transfer device with vacuum-sealed collection tubes. Upon specimen collection, remove the peel-off sticker that is covering the opening to the integrated transfer device chamber. Next, you will insert the vacuum-sealed collection tube into the chamber and push down until the desired amount of liquid has been collected. Once you have removed the tube from the integrated transfer device chamber, you are now ready to label and store the collected specimen to send for in-lab testing. Unlike ordinary urine collection cups, LiquiCapture has several key benefits. The first is that it reduces procedural errors. It also minimizes sample exposure since you do not have to remove the lid entirely in order to insert test cards or remove samples with a vacuum collection tube. This decreases the likelihood of sample contamination during collection, testing, and transport. Less contamination means greater accuracy and confidence when interpreting results.